Here's the number one mistake that I see a lot of investors do when they try to renovate properties. They do the same type of renovation, either if they're going to be fixing and flipping a house or if they're going to be renting out the house. The same renovation does not apply to both and also depends on the area itself. So if you're going to be fixing and flipping a house, you got to make sure what is the market in that area demands for? What type of renovations does it demand for? And when you are renovating a multifamily property to rent it out, you're probably not going to be getting high-end appliances and high-end fixtures and high-end material overall to be able to rent out that property. Just because this is what most people are looking for in a specific area, it doesn't mean that you have to do that on a rental property that you're going to plan on holding over a long period of time. Especially with multifamily properties, a lot of times the turnover is really great, and then you don't really need to get high-end appliances or high-end kitchen cabinets or high-end countertop. Your value is not going to go up that much, or you're not going to get a much different rent per apartment if you go too expensive on a renovation. So just be careful before you do any type of renovations. Make sure that you speak to a local real estate agent to help guide you with what renovations are going to be good and give you the best return on your investment per the area and per the house that you're looking to flip.